Hello woodworking enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tool Mentorship, the channel where we bring you the best tools to make your projects safer, faster, and more precise. Today we're diving into an essential safety tool for every woodworker, the push block. If you've ever worked with table saws, jointers, or routers, you know how crucial it is to keep your hands safe and achieve clean, accurate cuts. That's where push blocks come in. But not all push blocks are created equal. Some are designed for general use, while others come packed with advanced features for precision and safety. In this video, we'll guide you through the top 5 best push blocks available on Amazon in 2025, including the Micro-Jig Grip Block Smart Hook, Peachtree Fulton Safety Set, PowerTech Straight Handle Push Block, Michigan Crojig Gripper Advanced 3D Push Block, and the PowerTech Deluxe Magnetic Push Stick. We'll break down the features, benefits, and best uses for each push block, helping you find the perfect one for your needs. And don't worry, we've included links to each product in the description box and pinned comment, so you can check them out for yourself. Make sure to hit that like button if you love in-depth tool reviews, and don't forget to subscribe to Tool Mentorship for more tips, tricks, and honest recommendations. Ready to level up your woodworking game? Let's get started. Micro-Jig Grip Block Smart Hook Push Block. The Micro-Jig Grip Block Smart Hook Push Block is a game changer for woodworkers who prioritize safety and precision. This push block is crafted with advanced smart hook technology, designed to automatically engage the hooks at the end of the block when downward pressure is applied. These hooks ensure your material stays firmly in place during cuts, making it perfect for jointers, table saws, and router tables. The non-slip rubber surface is another standout feature, offering an exceptional grip that prevents materials from slipping, even in dusty or smooth conditions. Whether you're working with large plywood sheets or smaller, intricate pieces, the GRR-RIP block ensures total control. What sets this product apart is its lightweight and ergonomic design, which minimizes hand fatigue during long projects. Its versatility allows you to use it for straight cuts, beveled edges, or even fine details, giving you professional-grade results every time. For DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, this push block is an investment in both safety and efficiency. Peachtree Woodworking Fulton Safety Woodworking Push Block and Push Stick Set. The Peachtree Fulton Safety Set is the ultimate bundle for those who want a comprehensive safety solution for their woodworking needs. This set includes a combination of push blocks and push sticks, offering unmatched value for money. The tools are made of high-visibility plastic, ensuring they stand out in a busy workshop, so you never lose sight of them during a project. The push blocks are equipped with soft anti-slip pads on the base, providing a solid grip on your materials. This feature is especially useful for preventing kickbacks on jointers and table saws. The push sticks, on the other hand, allow for precise guiding of narrow pieces, keeping your hands safely away from the blade. Another significant advantage is the ergonomic design, which ensures comfort even during prolonged use. This set is an excellent choice for beginners who want an all-in-one safety kit or seasoned woodworkers looking to upgrade their equipment. It's versatile, reliable, and designed to make your woodworking experience safer and more efficient. PowerTech Straight Handle Push Block. The PowerTech Straight Handle Push Block is simplicity at its finest. This push block is a no-frills option for woodworkers who value reliability and ease of use. The straight handle provides excellent control and a firm grip, making it ideal for guiding materials through table saws, jointers, and other equipment. One of the standout features of this push block is its textured rubber base, which grips your material tightly to prevent slippage. This ensures accurate cuts and a smooth finish every time. The durable construction means this push block can withstand frequent use without showing signs of wear and tear. What makes the PowerTech Straight Handle Push Block especially appealing is its affordability. Despite its simple design, it performs exceptionally well and is suitable for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. It's a dependable addition to any workshop that values function over fancy features. Micro-Jig Gripper Advanced 3D Push Block. The Micro-Jig Gripper Advanced 3D Push Block is a revolutionary tool that sets the gold standard for woodworking safety and precision. This push block provides 3-directional control, offering pressure on the material in 3 axes: downward to prevent kickback, inward to keep the material tight against the fence, and forward to push it through the blade. Its adjustable and removable legs allow for a wide range of configurations, making it suitable for small, narrow, or awkwardly shaped materials. This feature makes the GRR-RIP perfect for intricate projects where precision is key. The non-slip material on the base ensures maximum traction, and its robust construction means it can handle heavy-duty tasks with ease. While it comes at a premium price, the GRR-RIP's unparalleled safety features, durability, and versatility make it worth every penny. This tool is an essential for woodworkers who want the ultimate in performance and safety. PowerTech Deluxe Magnetic Push Stick. The PowerTech Deluxe Magnetic Push Stick combines innovation with practicality to create an essential safety tool for any woodworker. The magnetic handle is its most unique feature, allowing you to attach the push stick to any metal surface for easy access. No more fumbling around your workspace trying to locate your tools. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use, while the compact design makes it ideal for small workshops. The tip of the push stick is specifically designed to offer precision and control when working with narrow or delicate materials. This push stick is especially useful for repetitive tasks, as it reduces hand fatigue while keeping your hands at a safe distance from blades. Its lightweight yet durable construction ensures longevity, making it a fantastic choice for both hobbyists and professionals. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 best push blocks for woodworking in 2025. Each of these tools brings something unique to the table, whether it's advanced safety features, precision, or convenience. Investing in the right push block not only protects your hands, but also improves the quality of your projects. If you're ready to upgrade your workshop, check the description box and pinned comment for direct links to these products. Your next favorite tool could be just a click away. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with your woodworking friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Tool Mentorship for more in-depth reviews, tips, and expert advice to take your craft to the next level. We'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which push block you're excited to try or what tools you want us to review next. Until next time, stay safe, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video.